Hey guys, welcome again back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be making another fertility remedy for you to conceive very fast. So this time is to increase your cervical mucus. So with that, you just get pregnant so very fast without any side effect, of course. So in case you are new, you have not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. So this is going to help so much. Cervical mucus is just like that egg whites, like it's just like egg whites and stretchy. You have to increase it, boost it up, and make it easier for and get pregnant very fast. The ingredients are very natural and very safe for you. All you have to do is just to follow on with this treatment. Take Be consistent for better result because it helps a lot. So one more thing is that this time around you won't be taking it during your period. You'll be taking it after your period. If you want to conceive a boy, just keep watching because I will tell you what to do, the right time to take it to conceive a male child. So if you want to conceive a baby girl, you have to keep on watching to know when to take it to conceive a baby girl. So this remedy is just without any side effect, as I said earlier. So you want to know how to prepare this remedy, you want to know how to conceive very fast, you want to make it in quantity and in quality. Just keep watching. Okay, so do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and share this video as well. Guys, let's go straight into the making of this remedy now. Alright, so to increase your cervical mucus and to conceive very fast, this is one of the ingredients you have to think of. Yes, and here we have grapefruits. So grapefruit here is just so wonderful. It's just very good for you. It will help to increase your the mucus and make it quality. Grapefruit works wonders in making the cervical mucus more fertile. Not only does it increase the quantity of the mucus, but it improves its texture as well. So all those stretchy whites, like egg white, this will help so much to make it more fertile and easier to conceive very fast. So you have to get grapefruit. You can find yours in different kinds. Like this is a small size and the inner part is white. Okay, I'll cut it open and show you how it is. Wash it very well, okay? Ensure it's very clean. So look at how it is. You can see it. Yeah, this particular one is a white species. You can also find some in different colors, like some will be reddish inside. So they are all very effective. Anyone you want to use, you can make use of anyone. So we're actually going to be making use of the juice, and the juice is just very good for you to conceive very fast. So next we have here is cucumber, and cucumber is just another wholesome food. So you need an alkaline environment. This cucumber is alkaline rich food that you need so much always, especially if you want to conceive a male child. Yeah, a male child, a female child, all are very good, but this can boost your chances of conceiving a boy because it's alkaline rich food. Okay, so this is very good for you. It will help to increase the fluid and the quality, making you to conceive very fast. So this is what we are going to do. You have to wash it very well. Okay, make sure it's very clean because you are going to be drinking this, and you have to cut it into smaller size. So next thing to do, I will transfer it into my blender. To remove the seed. Okay, So I'll be squeezing the juice into the blender. So right now I'll just go straight and blend it. So I'll be right back. Alright, so here we have our cucumber and grapefruit juice. So the next thing I'm going to do is to strain it out. So the next thing I'll be doing is to keep it aside. And okay, so here is our next ingredient here. This is very wonderful, guys. It's a very good spice, or you can call it a herb. It will help so much to increase, your mucus and make you to conceive very fast. Okay, so this is called chia seed. Chia seeds are a complete protein containing all 8 essential amino acids. Okay, so this is so much full of amino acids. It will help to supply your body with adequate nutrients responsible for conceiving. Okay, it will help to make a quality egg. So it's also very high in omega-3. Okay, also very high in calcium, high in iron and vitamin C, including potassium and antioxidant. So this, you don't have to joke with this. This is very, very important for you, okay, to enrich your egg, to make it more fertile. So aside that, it will also increase blood flow to the uterus, reduce sensitivity, boosting egg quality and increase the mucus. This, you can get it from a herb store where spices are sold. This, you can get it from where ginger powder, all those spices are sold, yes, and they are all easily available. If you cannot get it around you or supermarkets, you can just order it online. There are differences between boosting your ovulation and boosting your cervical mucus. You may be seeing your ovulation, which is normal, but you won't have all those stretchy, whitish, just like egg white. You don't have it, you find it very difficult to conceive. So what I'm going to do right now, to measure in 1 full tablespoon of chia seed. And I'll just go straight and blend it. You have to blend it into a powdering form. Okay, so I'll just transfer my juice into the glass cup. You will need 1 full glass cup, okay? So the next thing I'll do is to measure in 1 tablespoon of your chia powder. Measure it into a glass cup. For 1 full glass cup, you have to measure in 1 full tablespoon of chia seed. Then after that, you have to mix it very well. So this, I'll just keep it for next use. It will help to stabilize your hormone. Okay, so I'm taking it because I want to always, balance my hormone. Okay, yes, this will also help you in case you are in your menopause. Okay, it's going to get rid of all those side effects that comes with menopause. So this is so good for you. If you take it every day, it's going to boost your chance of conceiving. Okay, so you have to prepare it just the way you see me do. And it's always important to always watch the full video so that you know how to prepare it, how to use it for very effective results. So this, you should take it 1 full glass cup like this. And when you should take this is like 2 days or 3 days before your ovulation. You can start immediately after your period and be taking it every day, and you have to stop when your ovulation starts. you are going to notice how slimy it's going to be. You can just continue taking it during your ovulation. It's not going to stop any pregnancy, okay? When you take it every day, you will notice how it is, okay? And if you meet your partner, you'll be able to conceive very fast. Okay, so this is for those that have that problem, okay? But if your infertility is due to other problems like, that you need to clean your uterus or you need to balance your hormone, you have to use other remedies I have. But this particular one, if you have tried that uterus cleanse and it didn't work to boost your, to increase your mucus, you have to take this. This is especially for cervical mucus. If you desire to give birth to a baby girl, when you take this drink immediately after your period, not close to your ovulation, you have chances of conceiving a baby girl. So when you take this drink like 2 days or a day before your ovulation, this will make you to give birth to a baby boy. So you have to be taking it once daily, okay? Once daily. You can decide to be taking it morning or night, anyhow you want it, and you conceive very, very fast. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. In case you have not subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell as well so you get notified when I upload videos. So I'll see you in my next video.